Let's see this equation. So we want to solve for x. And equals to 1 make the task much easier. Because let's think about a couple of situations. The first situation is any number, let's call any number m, raised by 0 equals to 1. Right? The second situation is 1 raised by any expression that equals to 1. And 3 is -1 raised by an even exponent that equals to 1. So these three situations. So the first situation gives us the numerator, not numerator, exponent be 0. So let's set x squared minus 6x minus 6x minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. And this can be factored as x minus 2, x minus 4. Because -2 times -4 is positive 8. And -2 plus -4 is -6. So this gives us two solutions by zero property. By zero property saying the product of factors to be 0, that means each factor may be 0. So that means x equals 2 and x equals 4. So we have two solutions from the first case. The second case is if x minus 1 equals to 1, because x minus 1 is the base. If x minus 1 is 1, x equals to 2. Now let's check. So x squared minus 6x plus 8. Right? X equals to 2 now, so I have 2 squared. Actually, x equals to 2 is a solution of the quadratic equation to be 0. So we know x equals to 2, this will be 0. We don't have to calculate anymore. And so x minus 1 raised by 0, which is 1. So yes, indeed, this is the solution actually is here already. We don't need to check. So this x equal to 2, x equal to the same solution. So 2, the second case, the solution from second case is the same as one of the solutions in the first case. So now let's see 3. 3 means x minus 1 may be -1. In that case, x equals to 0. Okay. X equals to 0. If x equals to 0, we don't want the numerator and non-numerator, the exponent to be 0, because 0 raised by 0 is not defined. Right? So as long as the exponent is not 0, is anything else, well, it should be fine. But we know actually from the first case, when x equals 0, it won't be 0. When x equals 0, x squared minus 6x plus 8 will be 8. Right? 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 8. The first two terms will be 0. So that equals to 8. So we have a -1 raised by an even number. Oh, hold on a second. We have 0 actually. Oh no, x minus 1 equals -1. Yes, x minus 1 raised by number 8, which is an even number. 8 is an even number, so that equals 1. Okay, so that proves x equals 0 is also a solution. So in total, 3 cases give us 3 solutions. X equals 0, 2, and 4. All right, so we can check. We can plug in 0. We see 0 minus 1, that's -1. -1 raised by 8 equals 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 raised by anything will be 1. Then the first case, the exponent is 0. Then x equals 2, x equals to 4. When x equals to 2, x minus 1 equals to, right, we need to check this situation actually. When x equals to 2, x minus 1 equals to 1. When x equals to 4, x minus 1 equals to 3. So 3 raised by 0 will be 1, 1 raised by 0 will be 1. Yes, so we have 3 solutions for this.